The ostrich. Okay, so I have more, but like I don't really have enough time. So sorry. This is the ostrich. You can just see while I'm playing. The code. The set. The eat. The hurt. The eat. The set. The display. Which is weird. The preen. The teen. The eyes. The fly. Oh. Okay, yeah. That's all for the ostrich. I love it. It's one of my favorite birds. Now, crane. This is all. This is the last one. So I have more. I have the penguin and the pelican. But it's okay. Crane. I don't. And the raven. The raven's kind of like, it's only 21st. Doesn't need to be shown off. No one would want that. The crane's nice because it's like an ostrich. It looks cool like an ostrich, but can actually fly. It's going in. Okay guys, call, sit, call, eat, heart, display. I love this display. The preen, the teen, lol, fly. Okay guys, that's gonna wrap it up for